Good day, my name is Margaret Lynn and today I'm going to perform feeding bottle sterilization, making formula, and feeding and burping the baby. So first we're going to put on our apron to prevent clothes from getting wet. And then next, we're going to wash our hands. And then here I have gathered all the needed equipments: 4 basin, improvised drying rack, improvised bottle organizer, improvised electric sterilizer, bottle brush, nipple brush, sponge, baby bottle soap, improvised tongue, spatula, feeding bottles, a pitcher of water. This is already sterilized or boiled, and then powdered milk with scoop inside, and then tray with clean cloth, bib, burping cloth, diaper, and the baby. So first is we're going to dismantle the feeding bottles in the basin with warm water and soap suds. Then we're going to use bottle brush for cleaning the feeding bottle.
Ano tubig?
And then also, we're going to use sponge for cleaning, including the neck, bottle groove, and the bottle cap. Then we're going to use the nipple brush for cleaning the nipple. Checking there's no any obstruction in the nipple, and double check if there's no any damages. Then we're going to rinse the feeding bottles. rinse it twice if necessary. Place it on the drying rack. So once it is already dry in the drying rack, we're going to place it in the bottle organizer or container. So to prevent excess moisture in microorganism. Then next, we're going to put on 2 inches of water in the electric sterilizer. And then place the feeding bottle parts inside the sterilizer using the tongue. And include the tongue and the spatula inside the sterilizer. Then we're going to turn on the burner and let the sterilizer boil it up for 15 to 13 minutes. So after 15 to 13 minutes, we're going to turn it off the burner and then let the sterilizer cool down. So after it cool down, we're going to take out the things inside the sterilizer. So we're going to use first the tongue. And after this, we're going to make the milk formula. So first is to assemble the feeding bottle. So prepare formula depending on the prescribed ratio. So to make formula, we use 1:2 ratio of milk and water. So 1 scoop of milk and 2 ounces of water. So first, we're going to place the water first. Make sure to check the water level. And then, and then put powdered milk. So 2 scoops. 1 scoop. Sorry. So, to put the powdered milk, we're going to level the scoop using the spatula before placing it in the feeding bottle. And then I'm going to assemble the nipple and the so make sure not to touch the nipple. Since wala ko bottle cap, I'm going to directly shake the feeding bottle. Shake well the formula sideways. And check it if it is mixed thoroughly. Okay, so once it is done, we're going to prepare the feeding the baby. So I'm going to remove my apron and wash my hands again. So next, preparing feeding the baby, I'm going to put on burping cloth. And then assuming to open the crib, then place the baby. And pick up the baby. Position the baby in a semi-upright position. Be careful to support the head and chest. So now we're going to start feeding the baby. But to start feeding the baby by allowing the nipple to touch the cheek to stimulate for rooting reflex. So halfway through the feeding, we're going to burp the baby. Be careful not to cover the mouth and nose. And pat the back gently. And then, again, feed the baby until all the formula is consumed. So, assume that we're already done feeding the baby. Next is we're going to check the diaper if it is dirty. And then, change it if it is soiled. And then return the baby in the crib. And then I do aftercare of the equipment. And then wash my hands. And then I'm going to do the document and do the charting of feeding the baby. That's all. Thank you.